Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike here. Big day in the Monkey Wrench Kingdom. We're going to take Rusty out for a little spin. Yep, it is time to hit the road and see what this car has got. See what she's made of. He's made of. It's made of. Right now, it is made up of lots and lots of bird poo. Ugh. Monkey Wrench Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
Oh, what a day or two it has been. Take a look at the havoc that has been wreaked onto my car. Yep, look at all that. Yep, love the birds. Love the tree. Look at that. I've never seen so much poo on one car ever. So we've pulled her out and we're going to give her a wash, and then we're going to take her and put some new gas in the trunk. Gas in the tank, and see how she does, okay? Because she still has that hard start. So we're going to hopefully address that and see how she does on the road. So you have the keys. We're going to give her a quick little wash. Then we're going to hit the road. All right, that's what she looks like when she is freshly washed. A lot of the imperfections don't show up as much. We have one little piece of the puzzle. Well, there's going to be a couple, but this little trim piece right here, I did find on eBay. It's on its way here, but check out the interior. Remember what she used to look like? Remember how dusty she was and moldy she was and gross? She's looking good. I'm loving that. Okay. And the door cards, everything is good. These things all open. Oh, I've looked in here before. Yeah, because this person was a gambler. Anyway, that's how it goes. How are you? That's my neighbor right there, super friendly guy. He's not the one that reported me for all my cars. That would be somebody else. Anyway, look how much nicer she looks. Yep, we have de-poopified her. She looks really good. Yeah, okay, so I also ordered one of these and I have received it. I haven't installed it yet because I'm debating on how I'm going to get this car taken care of, whether it's going to be paint or a wrap. So we're just going to kind of hide that right there. All right, so let's take her. Don't look at this. And get some gasoline in her. I'll let you listen to the start because this is one of the issues that we're having. Other than the top that doesn't retract yet. See how long it takes to turn over. Yeah, it's a little bit long for me. Could be much nicer. I also have to address the rubber strip right there that's holding the top up. I don't like how that's kind of wavy right there. So we'll address that. But let's buckle up. Take her for a little spin. Okay, we got the brake pad. Visit workshop error message still going on. But let's see, which one do I want to go to? I think I'm going to go this way. Yeah, because it's closer. We'll go to the QT. That's a little closer to me. I don't like the popping. I really don't like the popping when I turn at low speeds. Ooh, I really don't. Brake wear, visit workshop. Hopefully you will come off once you realize you have new rear brake pads. Life in Oklahoma right here. There it is. Got a grandma in her pickup truck. Okay. Oh shoot. Did you hear? Oh! Okay. She has a little bit of power. That, oh, whoa, that was crazy. Okay, crazy good. No, I didn't even floor it, and she was ready to spin. I know the tires are bad. Oh, now we're saying ABC. Now it went off. ABC is back on again. Okay, well, let's just see what happens here. We're just going to try to put some of this good gas in her and some of this Liquimoly gas treatment. That's all I want to do. Look at the interior. Looking beautiful. If I can get some beauty shots of her just driving on the road, I will. I just want to get to the gas station before things happen. Not that I don't trust her, but I don't trust her. What do you think about the wood? You like the yellow? It's different. It's different. At least it all matches. That's good. Drive carefully. ABC. Shoot. Okay, let's just see what's happening here. I don't like that. I hope I didn't pop a leak or something. That would be terrific, wouldn't it? All right, we're going to limp up to Quick Trip. There's the error message. Hopefully we'll make it. Okay, it's been a disaster so far. We have the stuff. We're at the gas station. Mike forgot his wallet. Yep, Mike forgot his wallet, and look what's happening. I got a leak. That is not good. So we're going to try to get home real quick and see if we can connect those connectors. What a day. What a crappy day. Now this stuff is spilling on me too. This is the best. Okay, we're just going to get home real quick because Mike is proving what an idiot he is right now. Coming to the gas station with no money, no wallet, and now I got a leaky ABC system. So I just got to get home real quick. See, she's not happy. And I don't want to run dry because then I got to buy a new pump, which can get expensive. So let's just get her home real quick. Oh my gosh, what a day. What a day. Okay, we made the green light. That's good. It's just all stop signs from here. Holy moly. Stay with me, fluid. And that stuff's expensive too. $30-something a liter. Thank you very much. Stay with me, car. Stay with me. Okay. We made it home. Legend's gonna pop up over the fence. You wanna see? Watch for his head. Here it comes. Legend! Oh, I can't believe this. What a fail. What a fail today. Ugh. Legend. Here he comes. There he is. What a face. What a face. Hey, buddy. You watching out over the household? Yep. Yep. You watching out over the car? Yep. So, we fixed it, I hope. Okay, basically, it was one of the hoses back behind here. Yep, the first little hose. I just didn't have it all the way connected. Yay, Mike. We spilled that much fluid plus whatever came out on the road. It may have been while we kind of spun out, too, when I hit the gas. Because you can see there's a lot of oil on the tire right there. But I'm looking for I've moved the car, so I'm watching for more leaks, and we'll drive it again tomorrow. I have to go get more fluid. Yay! So we'll get more fluid, we'll get a battery for the S55, and we'll give you an update for Frida. Because if you look around, Frida's not here anymore. Frida's flown the coop! Yep, we'll tell you more about that in the next video, everybody. All right, Monkey Wrench Mike, signing off. We'll see you soon.